Wake up, Daniel.
What time is it?
It's 7:15 already.
I want to sleep more.
No, you must get up now.
5 more minutes, please.
No, you will be late.
Late for what?
Late for work.
Oh no, I forgot.
Yes, hurry. Get out of bed.
Okay, I'm getting up.
Did you brush your teeth?
Not yet. I'm still sleepy.
Go and brush your teeth now.
All right, I'm going.
Don't forget to wash your face.
Yes, I will wash it.
Do you want breakfast?
Yes, I'm hungry.
I made eggs and toast.
That's good. Thank you.
Hurry, your tea is getting cold.
Okay, I will drink it now.
Do you feel awake?
A little, but I need coffee too.
You already have tea.
I know, but coffee makes me strong.
You are funny.
What about you? Did you wake up early?
Yes, I woke up at 6:10.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, I like mornings.
I don't like mornings.
That's why you are always late.
Maybe you are right.
Look at the time. It's almost 8:10.
Oh no, I must hurry.
Yes, put on your shoes.
Where is my bag?
On the chair.
Okay, I got it.
Don't forget your phone.
Thank you, I almost forgot.
Be careful on the way.
Yes, see you later.
Have a good day at work.
Thank you. Bye, Emma.
Bye, Daniel.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great, thanks. And you?
Good, thank you. Do you come to this park often?
Almost every Saturday. How about you?
This is my first time here. What's the name of the park?
It's called Yellowwood Park.
Do you live near here?
Yes, just 10 minutes away.
What do you do on the weekend?
I take walks, I read, and sometimes I watch movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies. And you?
Comedies and romantic movies.
Do you have a favorite movie?
Yes, a famous animated movie about a boy who loves music. Do you know it?
Of course. It's a beautiful movie. You said you read. Do you read every day?
Almost every day.
What book are you reading now?
A simple book in Spanish. It's very interesting.
Exciting. Do you like listening to music?
Yes, a lot. I listen to rock and jazz.
Do you dance?
No, but I want to learn.
There are classes at the community center.
Really? I'd love to go. When are they?
Thursday at 6:30 p.m.
Do you go every week?
Yes.
Do you want to come with me this Thursday? You just need comfortable shoes.
I'd love to.
How long is the class?
1 hour. We could get coffee after.
That's a great idea.
Super. I'll see you on Thursday. Let's meet here at 5:45.
Perfect. Thanks. This was a nice conversation.
I think so too. See you Thursday.